In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal name. If you need to update the name on your PayPal account, this process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect on each screen. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to your PayPal account, since the name change option is located inside your account settings. Once you're on your PayPal account homepage, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the shortcut to your account settings. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the settings page. This is where PayPal keeps the main options for managing your personal account details, including your profile information. After the settings page opens, stay on the Accounts tab if it isn't already selected. In this section, you should see an option labeled Change Name. Click on Change Name to move forward. This is the section PayPal provides for updating the name associated with your account. So if your current name needs to be corrected or updated, this is the right place to do it. On the next page, you'll be able to change your name. Carefully enter the updated name exactly as you want it to appear on your PayPal account. It's a good idea to double check the spelling and formatting before moving on, especially since payment accounts should match your real information as closely as possible. Taking an extra moment here can help avoid issues later. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Continue. This will move the process to the next stage and allow PayPal to review or confirm the update, depending on the type of name change being made. In some cases, platforms like PayPal may ask for additional verification or supporting information, so be sure to read anything on the screen carefully before submitting the final update. And that's it. Those are the steps to change your PayPal name. Just open your settings from the gear icon, select Change Name in the Accounts area, enter your updated name, and click Continue. If you want the smoothest experience, make sure your information is accurate and matches your official details. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your PayPal account quickly and confidently.